thanks for joining me here in the attic. So pull up a chair, grab your favorite beverage, and we'll get to crafting and memory keeping. Welcome to week 3 of my series here on my channel for Dephemerember. This is a series where I am following the prompts done by LUISE HEINZL on her channel and Barbara at 49 Dragonflies. They have created prompts for us to follow each week, and we are on week 3. I am working in a beautiful journal made for me by my friend Stacy over at Crafty Dragon Creations, so be sure to check the link in the description box where you can find her channel and see what she's doing for Dephemerember. She is doing the prompts daily and I am doing them weekly. This week, I do not have any video footage of actually creating the prompts. It's been a little stressful, hectic week. I've got a sick pet that I've had to do some extra things with, so I didn't get time to actually film the making of my prompts, but I wanted to make sure I got them done. So I'm just going to do a quick flip through of the prompts that I did this week. So let's take a look at what our prompts are. And if you've missed any of the previous weeks, there is a link down in the description box where you can go back and check out weeks 1 and 2. So for week 3, we have December 16th, a tuck spot and cheese. December 17th, flip out page and old photos. December 18th, mini pocket letter and specimen. And December 19th, paper bag handle and slow stitching. Be sure to use the hashtag Dephemerember to follow along with everybody here on YouTube that are making great items that go along with this prompt list. There's a lot of creativity here with these prompts, and you can also check out the information in the description box where you can find Louisa and Barbara's channels. So let's look at day 16, tuck spot and cheese. That was an interesting prompt. Wasn't sure how I wanted to do cheese. So, following along with the tuck spot idea, I created a little tuck spot cluster here and decided since we needed to incorporate something with cheese, I wanted to put a little mouse. So I found this little Christmas mouse that was in one of the digital kits I've purchased in my stash, and then I used one of the Tim Holtz dies to create this little what I thought looks like Swiss cheese in the background. So this is my tuck spot and my cheese for December 16th. So for the 17th, we've got flip out page and old photos. For this, I had an old photo album that I found at a thrift store, so I wanted to create a flip out with that. So it flips out like this, and then my old photos, I decided to make photo collages using the Tim Holtz paper dolls to go in each of the photo parts in this old photo album. I hope there's not too much glare on these pictures, because they are in like a plastic sleeve. And I also did a cluster on the inside of my flip out. And did my stamping for December 17th for that. So December 18th, mini pocket letter and specimen. For this, I looked at what Barbara and Louisa were doing with their mini pockets, and a lot of them were using like the baseball style card sleeves, so I took some inspiration from that, and I had some of those sleeves that fit in a 6x8 scrapbook album, and so I created my specimen cards to fit inside those pockets. I sewed that into my journal, and then I made labels with my specimen cards to go in each one of the pockets. I have left the backs plain in case I want to go back and add something on this side later on. For December 19th, paper bag handle and slow stitching. For this, I wanted to create another tuck spot. I used an old gift bag that had a paper handle. I did my slow stitching along the torn edge here. I did back stitching here. And to also represent the slow stitching, Stacy, when she made my journal, she included these little mini yo-yos that are slow stitched, so I added that as an embellishment. So that's my day 19. So that ends week 3 of Dephemerember. I do hope I'll be able to do a little bit of videoing next week for Dephemerember. The holidays have just started to get really busy here for me with family plans and things. I'm not getting to do as many videos as I would like. But I'd love it if you'd hit the subscription button and the notification bell so you'll be notified when I put up any new content. I do have some new ideas coming out in 2025, and I'd love to see you here again in the attic. So until I see you again, y'all take care.